Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to use Pandabuy website. As you know guys, one of the most popular shopping website. Then guys, I will show you step by step how to create your account and how to buy any product on Pandabuy website. Then first guys, go on the top, then click on sign up. Then guys, you need to first select your country, then add your username, for example. Then guys, your email address, then guys, the password, then guys, when you finish adding your personal information, just click on sign up, then hit on confirm. Then you need to now log in with your email that you have created. Then guys, after you creating your account on Pandabuy, it's very easy. The best features that Pandabuy has is estimation your order. Then click on estimation, then it's give you shipping fees estimation. Then you can add, before creating your order, just tap your destination and the warehouse zone, then the weight and load, then the height and the mile restriction. Then click on inquire, that will give you how the products cost to get it on your home. Then guys, also you can check in the product with given the pictures, or you can just tap your product or selecting which type product or shop. Then I don't have for example, I don't have the picture, just tap for example likeness or gadget, for example gadget, categories of gadget. For example, if you want to buy one of this product, then tap on this product, then you need to select which size that you want and which color, the how much quantity. Then you need to agree, then hit on add to cart. Then go on the top and open your account, then click on orders. As you see guys, just go to cart and the toolbar and the left. As you see guys, this is your order. If you want to estimate your product how much cost, then first you need to select the order that you want, then click on submit. Then it will take directly to payment section. Then guys, after creating your order on Pandabuy, then you can also process the order and ship to warehouse and check also the quality and the global shipping. As you see guys, the Pandabuy website, it's very easy to use and shipping any product and also tracking your order until you get to your home. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.